If you run a Facebook group, you might want to look at the group quality, which shows you whether there have been any violations of Facebook rules, any issues around fake news and that kind of thing reported in your group. I'll show you how it works here. Here we go. So here you can see the group quality section on the left hand side. Click on that. So you can in more detail at the community standards, making it easier to see when we've taken action against people within the group. Anything that's against community standards of Facebook generally, any misleading content, and the action that's taken against that content. It may reduce the group's distribution, how often it gets shown into the Facebook newsfeed. So I think in most cases it wouldn't be an issue, but obviously some groups can be taken over or have people posting content that's not deemed to be of high enough quality, depending on the topic of the group. It's a simplified thing in terms of the 2020 version. Group quality just says no updates for the group. So something to look out for. You can also have member reported content where you can review that and check it out yourself. So there's plenty of safeguards there built into Facebook. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.